come back. From all indication, we cannot deny this fact that William Samuel Ruto, through his government, they are targeting Kikuyu business.
Wapate karo ya shule, wanauza viatu ili wapate chakula, wakirudi jioni hawana chochote, lakini serikali inazidi kudharau wananchi. Serikali kuu kwamba watu wa Kigomba watatoka hapa. Kodi yenyewe imewaruhusu watu wa Kigomba kukaa hapa. Kodi imewaruhusu kukaa hapa, na mimi nataka nirudi kotini. Nataka mnisikize, nataka nirudi kotini. Nihakikishe nirudi kotini. Mtu ambaye alibomolewa, mtu ambaye amenyanyaswa, apewe compensation ya koti. Mimi nasimama na nyinyi. Naende kuambia viongozi wengine hapa. Sisi kama viongozi hatutakaa tukiona wananchi wananyanyaswa.
The demolition of Gigomba in the name of Penero land, that is not the main reason. Recently, this is what happened in Kidurai.
Hakuna kitu niko nayo, hii ni hasara tupu. Tuliambiwa tunaenda Singapore, sasa saa hii tunaenda Russia. Hata afadhali wangetutafutia kazi tuende huko Russia ukufe ukitafutia watoto kuliko kukufia kwenu na hakuna kitu.
Bado amebomolewa sana. Ule pedi wa pale. Ni haka kale kanjeka na konga hapa. Bana hadi pedi wetu alai pedi. Alai pedi wetu na ndio haki yake. Tunaweza andamana ama? Tunaandamana. People in Githurai are andamaning right now. Wala pedi wetu wasifukuziwa hivyo na ndio.
And in Githurai, they were like,
land that these people are doing business belong to the
reli, wanafanya biashara kwa reli, so that at least they can. And the demolition of Gigomba, I think, is not something to do with the land that is near to the river. I listened to one of the traders was that they say that mutupe kitu like 20 meters. Wakatoka 20 meters, they moved to 30 meters, and now they are at 60 meters. That is not things to do with penarial land. In any other way, Ruto is now punishing the Kikuyu business people. These things happen in Githurai. In Githurai, we all remember the larger population in Githurai. They are Kikuyus doing their businesses, some from Kiambu County, Githurai 44 and Githurai 45, this area of Nairobi. I think that this is something to do with the land that I've talked about. It is something politically in it. And guys, in case this is your first time coming across us, kindly please take a minute or two, click that subscribe button, then allow notification buttons to be on. If you are in position to support this channel, kindly please do so through the number you are seeing on your screen. It will help me a lot and my production may also increase. Now guys, let's take this matter politically. Let us not ignore the reasons that they have been giving us. Ignore all those reasons. When you look at it, where Kikuyu businesses are situated, I think this government are trying as much as they can to ensure that these people, in any other way, they are frustrated, or rather they are in not good way to do their business. I remember there is one of the business there I used to pass, I will not mention, and most of the people that were in that business around there, Kibre, they normally call it Laini, they were Kikuyus. But now when you move at that place, walipiga mabati na huku for the sake of the railway land. That's aside. Now come to what happened yesterday. And if it is a demolition, we cannot also deny that, but it is better you alert the people. It's better you give those people a notice that this day, this time, we shall be doing demolition. And kama hata watu ni vichwa ngumu, have given them a notice, but they're not even complying to that notice. What you also need to do, at least waambie, okay, we give you notice, but we're not even doing as that notice wants. So what we shall do, sisi kesho we are coming to do the demolition, so that hata kama huyo mtu mwenye kiburi anaweza saidia mali yake kidogo. But you listen to that lady. When those bulldozer arrives, it arrived with young people. And with that, guys, thank you for choosing Kenya Political Brief as your primary news platform, more so on politics. Kindly please share this video to a friend. If politics is your passion, this is the place you really wish to be. Kindly subscribe. Bye bye.